Hey there guys, Artistic Nick here, thanks for the click. In today's drawing video I'm going to be drawing Espeon from the Pokemon universe. This was quite an easy one because Espeon is mainly a lilac-y pink. There's not an awful lot of detail in there. So as always I started off by freehanding this and then I went through with a pale lilac for the main bulk of the body, and then for the darker areas I used a cool grey 3 and a cool grey 7 just on the inside of the ears, just to bring out the depth of the ears there. For the ruby and the red I used a cadmium red, and just for the slightly lighter area I used a light pink. For the blues of the eyes I used ultramarine and a processed blue. This took me about an hour in total. I finished it off by using my Uniball Signo Broad white highlighter pen, and I just brought some highlights around the right hand side of the character. I imagine that the light source was coming sort of from the top right, which is why you've got the shadows in the areas that you have. I just think this added a slightly more realistic dimension to this, but like I say, there wasn't an awful lot of detail in this, so it was quite an easy one to draw. I would suggest if you're starting to draw Pokemon, start off with something like this and then work your way up to the more detailed Pokemon. Just say a massive thank you to you guys for supporting my channel so far. I've been doing a few requests recently. I've been doing quite a lot of anime. I've really been enjoying the anime. If you've got any requests that you'd like me to do, it might be a Pokemon, it might be a different series of characters, it might be a realistic drawing in graphite, which I'm keen to have another go at something recent over the next couple of weeks. Then don't forget to let me know in the comments below. I'll endeavour to do them for you. But that's the end of the video, so thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn the notifications icon on, and I'll leave you with the finished picture of this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Hit subscribe, smack the notifications button, follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.